Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my channel Crochet Covers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like the sunny. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish flowers basket designs ideas, beautiful colors, beautiful contrasts, very amazing colorful crochet stylish baskets designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. Becomes very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs. Like the channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So from this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and that's why such colors of talented video is amazing. I do these are lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion, lot of designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, love, please.